Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and this is Case or No Case. Hopefully, you know how this works. We've been joined by attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. And Jeff, you're going to test just how well we know the law, right?
That's right. Another virtual case or no case. So you ready?
Yes, I am. Let's do this.
Okay. So now that we can get together a little bit with social distancing, you decide you're going to have your neighbors over for a cookout. And you both have some kids who are about the same age. They're 6 years old. You have a swing set in the back of your yard. And your son is pushing your neighbor's daughter. And he's pushing and he's pushing. And he starts to get a little too eager and excited about it and pushes her really fast and really hard. And she ends up losing her grip and falling and breaking her arm. So case or no case against your 6-year-old son?
Well, it sounds like an accident, of course, but I think there may be a case still.
No, there's not a case because in Wisconsin, a child who is under 7 years old cannot be held negligent. So a 6-year-old child cannot be negligent as a matter of law.
All right. Learn something new every day. And remember, if you'd like to find out if you have a case, just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.